morning, my dear students. So today we are going to start a good topic and very much interesting topic. In the previous classes, we completed ANOVA chapter, analysis of variance. You can see the analysis of variance videos also in our channel. So today we are going to start correlation analysis. First of all, we need to see what is correlation and what we call it as analysis. Okay, analysis is nothing but a detailed examination on the given data or given variables. So here correlation. In practice, we come across a large number of problems involving use of two or more than two variables. If two quantities vary in such a way that movements in one are accompanied by movements in others, these quantities are correlated. Okay, here what happens here, in one variable different values are given, in the second variable and different values are given. Okay, whether these two variables are correlated or not, whether they are perfectly positive correlation or whether they are perfectly negative correlation, we are going to see. Okay, so here small example is given to understand the correlation. So here observe carefully, there exists some relationship between age of husband and age of wife. Okay, this is small example. Then another example is here, price of commodity, amount demanded, increase in rainfall up to a point, and production of rice. Okay, the next, the degree of relationship between the variables under consideration is measured through the correlation analysis. The measure of correlation, called the correlation coefficient or correlation index, summarizes in one figure the direction and the degree of correlation. Okay, you observe carefully here the relationship between age of husband and age of wife. The next one here, price of commodity, amount demanded. Okay, so here these are the few examples. The next, the degree of relationship between the variables. What is the degree of relationship is there between them? We have to observe carefully. The next, the correlation analysis refers to the techniques used in measuring the closeness of the relationship between the variables. Okay, what is the closeness between the variables? We have to observe carefully here. So price of commodity, if the price of commodity is high, the amount demanded, whether the amount is demanded or not, we have to observe. Based on the requirement, it will be demanded. Okay, according to the need of the customer, it will be demanded more. Okay, if the customer need, the amount is demanded is high, then automatically the price of the product also increases. Then increase in the rainfall. Okay, you observe carefully, these two types of relationship is also more important here. Well, suppose this year the rainfall is highly increased, then the production of rice also increases or not increases. That is the most important. Up to the mark, the water is required. If it is above the mark, then what happens? There is chance of the production of rice will be a little bit low. Okay, so we have to observe carefully. This type of activities are going to happen in the correlation analysis. And here some important definitions of a correlation are given below. Here four authors have taken, four statisticians, they have said the correlation analysis, small definitions. According to Simpson and Kafka, he says that correlation analysis deals with the association between two or more variables. Okay, Kafka and Simpson, they say correlation analysis deals with association between two or more variables. The next one here, according to Eller Conio, if two or more quantities vary in sympathy so that movements in one tend to be accompanied by corresponding movements in other, okay, then they are said to be correlated. Okay, he says that if two or more quantities vary in sympathy so that movements in one tend to be accompanied by corresponding movements in the others, then they are said to be correlated. Okay, the next, according to Ya Lun Chow, correlation analysis attempts to determine the degree of relationship between variables. Correlation attempts to determine the degree of relationship between variables. Then again, the next author, he says, according to A.M. Tuttle, correlation is an analysis of covariation between two or more variables. Okay, here all these authors, they are says that there is a small association or there is a relationship, there is a degree of relationship between the two or more variables. That is a common concept here, you have to observe carefully. Okay, the next, Thus, correlation is a statistical device which helps us in analyzing the covariation of two or more variables. It is a statistical device which helps us in analyzing the covariation of two or more variables. Okay, the problems of analyzing the relation between different series should be broken into three steps. Okay, here observe carefully. Determining whether a relation exists, if it does, measure it. Is there a relationship is existed between two or more variables? Then we simply have to measure with different formulas. The next one, testing whether it is significant, whether it is important or not. We have to test. Establishing the cause and effect relation, if any. Okay, if here establishing the cause and effect relationship, if any, we have to observe carefully. Okay, these are the small introduction about the correlation analysis. Then the next topic is here. You observe carefully.